Hey, what's up? I'm gonna be teaching you guys about the Pancake edit, and it's a simple technique of editing where you just stack clips on top of the other. So let's go ahead and make a new sequence here. And let's say my final project, I'd want it to be in Ultra HD, whatever. So it makes a new sequence, and all our clips that we want to use is is here, and then this is our final project where we might want to make it like a limit of 30 seconds or something. So what we could actually do is drag this under, and then we simply drag, and then it's like, it's right there. It's in our new like format, and all we would have to do is just like edit the clip to how we would want it, drag it. And what's helpful to know is once you're done with a clip, you can press Alt and then up arrow, or you can also just like label it, and that way you know that you already use a clip. So like I said, this is a helpful editing technique for if you have like a big project you need to compress, or you just want to like have a new sequence where you want it to be a specific resolution. So hopefully that helped, and yeah, that's a Pancake edit.